We're here to check out one of the most iconic places here at the Strip. It's called Caesar's Palace. We're about to check in, check out some pool, eat some food, and more stuff. You be the judge if it's worth it. And off we go. Checking in and do some bacchanal tomorrow. This is interesting. Ooh, look at that. Oh, even their elevator is grandiose. Okay, we're going now to eat for 4. We're gonna check out the room briefly. I'm kinda hungry. I saw some food coming this way. I'm like figuring out what to eat right now. I'm in a suite. This thing is really nice. Let's go in. Hey! Just when you enter, you'll see a hallway and it's already grand. On your right will be a full-length mirror and on the left will be the entrance to the loo. Here it is. Very nice, very Rome. Everything is modern. This kind is my favorite sofa. Assorted towel right here, drawers. Here is the shower. It looks like it's connected on the other side. Cool. And on this one, and here it is. Very spacious and their artwork. I like the fact that you could close this one fully so you have privacy. These are the cabinets. The next one, my stuff. Another full-length mirror. I like that their hangers can move around and it's not really stuck on the bar. This one is the connection a while ago. It's the back. That's pretty good. This one, check it out, a bidet. This is actually super cool. So what you do is turn it on, but it's hard to balance it, and even the temperature, you kind of have to test it. As you go along and you practice, you already know how it is. This I have to go back later. Wait a minute. Is this like a his and hers? Excuse me, I need to move it right now. Let's get out now. I've been thinking of having a vanity table in my room. This is excellent. I love it. I love the whole vanity. And then this is the bar. Oh my god, I'm getting so hungry. I want to eat all of this. There's a big TV right here. Let's check out the cabinets. They are drawers. This thing is fake. Okay, that is fake again. And I think this is a refrigerator. There's a bunch of codes here that I don't understand. I don't know how to open this thing. And you have here your coffee, Keurig. I got this wine from the plane a while ago. Thank you for the wine. They love mirrors here. I guess the Romans love their mirrors. This is where the office is.
Welcome to the Hotel Hell. Check-in time is now, check-out time is never.
Now let's check out the bed. This is the bed right here. It's worth of art. Right beside the bed, there is a luxury living room. Let's check out our view now. Let's see what's over there. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry and now let's get changed. And I'm ready! Let's go, chow! It smells so good in here. I wish this is 4DX and I could give you how it smells over here. We're going to the forum right now. Well, tomorrow I'm doing the bacalan, so I'm thinking I should save money, right? Instead of eating in another restaurant, I'm gonna go to their food court and check out what they have. this one. Almost everyone ordered Bobby's Burger. Bobby's Burger right here. Here, Bobby's Burger like there. And Bobby's Burger right there. And there's Bobby's Burger right there too. Everyone did Bobby's Burger. Marie, thank you. We are now about to try this burger. Ooh, wow, it's so soft. I like the spread. And it has that potato chips right there. Let's try this out now. This is so good. I'm having the best time of my life eating this burger right now. Bobby Flay burger.
Excuse me, Randy Marsh? Yes, oh my God, it's Bobby Flay!
I chose well done, and it is well done. The crispiness, I really love it. The Bobby Flay sauce tastes so good. My bill total is, for this one, is $30. It's not really cheap, but I'm glad I had it. I didn't order the shake. How is it?
Delicious. Yeah.
What is that one?
It's like cookies and cream.
What?
Cookies and cream.
Oh, and this too?
Strawberry.
Oh, cookies and cream or strawberry?
Try to know. Yeah, I like the strawberry one the best.
Chocolate brownie. I haven't tried the pretzels, but this dessert is so good. It's highly recommended.
Now you're making me nervous.
By the bartenders. It's so moist. This is the popular Gordon Ramsey Stoufy pudding. I'm about to try it now for the first time. Now I know why it's popular. It just melts in your mouth. I'm amazed by this one. It's pretty good. Now it's time to say goodnight and check this bed. If it's so good, I'll let you know in the morning. Tomorrow we're gonna check out the fitness center and then the pool. I'm excited about that. See you tomorrow. Good night for now. This sound just woke me up. What is going on? It sounds like a shower. What is going on? Okay, that's scary. I don't know how to explain that. Is this gonna be a good night's sleep for me? Now I think the night's gonna be open. Good morning! This place is massive. I have to walk to the gym right now, and it's in another tower called Augustus Tower. About my sleep last night, I was crazy with that sound, but I must admit that bed was really, really good. Holy smokes, this is the way to the gym. Lot of cardio. As you can see, their gym is pretty good. Check in if you want some towel. There's a queue right there. A lot of these are for rental.
So this one is adults only.
This school is legit. By this time, I know it's worth staying here. No wonder you have residency. They would stay here for months and months and months. What do I think about Caesars? The location is very good. This is one of the most iconic places in the strip. My room was comfortable. My bed was super comfortable. Had a little bit of a scare, but I think there's some explanation to it. okay. Could be this one. That was weird. I love their fitness center. It's kind of legit. Very, very good gym and spa. And lastly, the pool. The pool was amazing. I'm not in Rome, but I feel like I'm a Roman. Hope you liked this video, you enjoyed it, and maybe you can decide whether you would like to stay in Caesars or not. Anyways, I'm about to eat here at the Bacchanal. If you want to see that, subscribe and I'll see you next time. And off I go.